Tired of distractions? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to silence the world and redefine your listening experience. Seriously, the industry-leading noise cancellation on these is mind-blowing, perfectly cutting out everything from airplane hums to bustling coffee shops. Imagine pure audio bliss, just you and your music, undistracted and immersed. Plus, with an incredible 30-hour battery life, your soundtrack won't stop even on the longest journeys or workdays. Charge once, listen all week. It's that reliable, ensuring your music is always ready when you are. And here's a game changer for multitaskers. Multi-point connection lets you seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop without repairing. Take a call on your phone, then jump straight back into your movie on your computer, all with zero hassle. Talk about convenience. What makes the XM5 truly special is the seamless blend of supreme sound, ultimate comfort, and smart features that genuinely improve your day. If you're ready to upgrade your audio, check the link below for the best price on Amazon. These aren't just headphones. They're an essential upgrade for anyone serious about their audio quality and peace of mind. Truly among the best electronics. The Sony WH-1000XM5 are absolutely the best wireless noise-canceling headphones you can buy right now, and I highly recommend them.